Of late, I've started doing a lot of online shopping.
हाँ,
So you
अच्छा.
would see a lot of tabs there.
Lot of tabs, हाँ?
So yeah, वो मुझको भी देख के कभी-कभी लगता है यार ये मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा ही शॉप करने लगा हूँ.
Tell you what, I would be embarrassed
Yeah.
that I have tried to shop and I don't know how to.
सर ऐसे कैसे?
मुझे नहीं मालूम कसम से.
सर
I
सिखाइए
tried.
आप. हाँ
Just
जी.
give me your credit card
Very big-
details. I'll tell you कैसे how it's done.
Hey भाई, जरा दूर से. My wife thinks you don't understand. You don't understand. They are taking you seriously. Oh.
But that's the fun of it.
That's the fun.
And that's what I say. Can never end the joke.
तो मैं
Please don't
complete
end the
करता हूँ.
joke.
मैं complete
हाँ.
करूँ. Two Parsi ladies were taking selfies with me. Two old ladies. And you like this story. So they're taking. Zenobia also took up. I said no, Zenobia takes money for selfies. So they look at each other. खबर? Zenobia चाची?
Oh.
So Zenobia says, see, this is why I say, don't joke.
पर आपके पैदी में अगर कोई नो फिल्टर वर्जन होता तो वो कोई एक ऐसा सीक्वेंस जो इंस्टेंटली वायरल हो जाता है जो
यार हमारे तो क्रिकेट के देखिए बहुत
हाँ.
सारे सीक्वेंसेस हैं तो उसमें तो अगर नो फिल्टर होता तो क्रिकेट खेलते हुए जैसे आपने देखा ही है नो फिल्टर अभी विकेट के पीछे माइक आ गए हैं तो कभी कभी जब वहां पे आता है तो MS धोनी की भी बातें रोहित शर्मा की बातें आपको सुनाई देती हैं तो आई थिंक वैसा ही कुछ ना कुछ आ जाता.
सर
What no filter version means? गाली गलोच वाला version. I know what you're trying to say, Mirzapur type.
जैसा रोहित शर्मा ना कोई गार्डन में घूमेगा तो This is one scene
Is
which
that-
I can't really talk about because it comes in the second half. That had
अरे
a
ऐसा मत
very
बता दो
beautiful नहीं
थोड़ा सा.
मैडम 300 करोड़ की फिल्म.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है फिर नहीं
तो थोड़ा सा
बताना.
रुकिए.
हाँ, नहीं
तो-
जून 4th को आ ही रही है तो
Yes.
तब तक देख लेंगे.
सेकंड हाफ में है
मत बोल.
you know coming in the
You're giving
yeah.
it too much.
हाँ.
You're giving it too much.
नहीं यार नहीं उसने बोला भी नहीं अभी.
Don't fall for
नहीं
this.
करेक्ट है करेक्ट है.
We have a very special guest today. Yes, we're not talking about one, we're talking about two very, very special guests today. One is known for his unmatched wit and, of course, charm. The other one is known for bringing a lot of chaos, but the chaos that we absolutely love, and for also making us aware of some really interesting galis. And when they get together, they bring a whole new vibe to Peddi. Yes, we're talking about incredible actors, stars, Baman Irani and Divyendu Sharma.
थैंक यू सो
वो
मच.
गाली वाला ना थोड़ा बोलने को कहा था कि थोड़ा मजा आ जाए.
बट वो मेरे नहीं है वो राइटर्स के गाली हैं वो लिख के देते हैं.
ये पक्का इसमें हमको कुछ मिलेगा सर बिफोर वी बिगिन कुछ
मैं तो नहीं बोलता हूँ.
हाँ आप नहीं बोलते आप
मैं
तो
कैमरा पे
बिल्कुल
नहीं
स्वच्छ. Right, and we're talking about Peddi.
Yes.
What an interesting film. The trailer, the kind of comments that have been coming in, absolutely loved. People are expecting this to also bag an Oscar. That's what a lot of people are saying.
Oh boy.
That's a tall order as they say.
The intention of a film like Peddi is for a star like Ram Charan is. What is their intention? That the hard work converts itself into entertainment for the family.
Right.
First, let's get that first, right? Let's not talk about accolades and all of that. Bring it to the theater. Let families come. Let the fans come. Let them cheer. Let them dance. Let them sing. Let them get excited. Let them feel. I think it's a very emotional film by the film.
True.
By the time the film ends, have you watched the film?
I've watched the trailer. I haven't watched the film
Yeah.
yet.
So by the final film, you really feel something. You feel somebody has, it pulled out your heart in many ways. So first thing first, is your time and your money, as they say, पैसा वसूल.
पैसा वसूल है या नहीं? Right.
First, फिर बाद में देखा जाएगा सब कुछ.
Yes.
फिर रिकॉर्ड हो या अवार्ड्स हो वो first things
बाद
first.
में. But I think ये पैसा वसूल नहीं है, विसल वर्दी फिल्म होने वाली है.
Whistle worthy है, क्या बात है, कुछ नया कुछ.
बट ये तो
Whistle
होने
worthy.
वाला है ना. आपका तो मैं इंटरव्यू सुन रही थी एंड साउथ में देयर इज दिस मैसिव पॉपुलैरिटी दैट यू weren't aware of but you were absolutely taken aback by. What exactly
in
had
a good
happened?
way.
In a good way, yes.
Yeah. No, I mean Ram Charan only, he told me that listen, it's really big here, Mirzapur, people really love your character and everything, and we were shooting a few scenes where there were a lot of crowd there. And they showed their love, and I was just like you said, taken aback in a good way, happily surprised. What more you can ask for your first film?
And they do show their love.
Yeah,
They do,
yes,
क्या
yeah.
करते हैं
Yeah.
सर कुछ बताइए
Ask
क्या
him.
एग्जैक्टली
They
क्या होता
have
है?
a way, like if they whistle, they shout, they look you in the eye and they mean everything they say.
Yeah.
ये दिल्ली वाले लड़के के लिए
Like you know, for them it was, and you know, एक अच्छी बात ये है, honestly मुझे थोड़ा ऐसा लगा, दोस्त माफ करना, डाउन साउथ मुझे थोड़ा ऐसा लगा that the fans are a little more educated about filmmaking.
Okay.
How they really compliment you on playing a character,
अच्छा.
on your interpretation of the character. I was very, very impressed.
Basically
I give you-
nuances वो जानते हैं.
nuances. I also, they're very cinematically very aware. Like I give you a small example, sir. One day after pack up, me, Bucci Babu, and our DOP Randy sir, we went out for this thing. खाना वाना खाने
Dinner
के लिए
बोल दो
हम
यार,
लोग गए,
dinner बोल
डिनर के लिए गए, and there I saw a lot of people come
हाँ.
and meeting Randy sir. Sir, I'm a big fan of your work and this thing to a camera person. This never ever happens
Yes.
in Hindi film industry.
Yes.
I was so happy and impressed by that. I was like, wow, this is a true cinema culture.
Exactly.
आपको अगर पसंद है, you need to
तो हर एक
compliment
चीज
people.
पे आप जाएंगे, किसने सिनेमेटोग्राफी की है, किसने
Yes.
कोरियोग्राफी, like you know people who are
Amazing,
behind the scenes they
Like
never
the
get.
guy who did my
Yeah.
dubbing for Mirzapur. Apparently, he's a big celebrity there.
Okay.
People really appreciate that. Now,
Okay.
now that's the kind of culture you want to see.
तो दिल्ली वालों में तो ये होगा ही नहीं ना. दिल्ली वाले कैसे देखते हैं मूवीज?
दिल्ली, I don't know, दिल से ही देखते
दिल से
हैं.
तो
लेकिन I think अब शायद चीजें बदल रही हैं.
बदल
यहाँ पे भी
True.
लोगों को समझ आने लगा है किसने फिल्म लिखी, डायलॉग किसने किए, म्यूजिक बैकग्राउंड पे लोग काफी कमेंट करते हैं. So it's coming.
सर आपका तो एक डायलॉग है जो 78 टाइम्स क्रॉसओवर एथलीट.
मैंने मजाक
ये तो वो हर जगह चल गया आपका मजाक. बट वाज इट रियली दैट मेनी
No,
टाइम्स?
no.
अच्छा. ओके.
See, Bucci da, he comes and he sees one valley.
हाँ.
Say, sir, we shoot in the valley. I said, okay. तो मैं गाड़ी की तरफ गया, मैं समझा गाड़ी घुमा के we will reach, go
आ
down
जाएंगे,
in the
right,
valley from some. He just jumped off and he hopped all the way down. Next thing I know, thanks to his energy, I also jumped. 4 guys were holding me because I started sliding all the way down. We went into the valley, literally slid down.
Oh, God.
And basically only on some kind of a nutty energy of that man. And the camera guys were following, and before you could say Jack Robinson, they've set up the shot. The sun is setting.
Right.
Right, and he says, "I want you to scream out this line, crossover athlete." And he was doing it every time we do it. So we were doing it, kept on saying crossover athlete. The sun was
That's
setting.
how- yeah.
Also, what happens is the light, the sun as it sets, it gets prettier.
True.
And sometimes when the sun sets, that's the golden hour. It
Yes.
might be the best shot.
Yes.
So we are doing versions for the background. It's not, maybe I didn't do it right and he wanted me to do it 7 times. I'm not saying, no, that's not been the excuse.
Yeah.
But it was just that, यहाँ तक पहुँचे तो एक शॉट में थोड़ी ओके टेक बोलने वाले.
Which is true.
It took us 10-15 minutes to slide down that hill.
Yes. Yes.
We might as well make good use of it.
But what has been the biggest takeaway, you know, from your association with him,
With whom?
with the director, of course?
I think when he sat down for the narration, and he said, the assistant said he will not be able to narrate. He'll be just make sure that I'm saying it correctly, which meant that the AD was going to do the narration
Okay.
because Bucci Babu shaky on the languages that,
Which is true, right?
and I'm totally shaky in Telugu, right? And before I could sing Jack Robinson again, he jumped up and he started telling me the story in his own language that he thought that I understood. And I did understand what he was saying. In whatever communication, through body language, through words, he was so enthusiastic. You know, you don't want some dull person telling you a story. with
Exactly.
great-
Then, you know, the interest is also lost, right?
He is jumping around and he's telling me, sir, and then Piti will come and you will say, I want to know this guy. And he, not in as many words.
Yeah, of course. You know, those are longer
I want
sentences.
to. So you go and we take it through the. Little did I know that he actually took me to the jungle, actually slid me down a mountain. Actually, and
Right.
there was one shot in the river rapid in Sri Lanka. If I just, they locked my feet on a rock. If I lifted that rock, my whole body would have flown off.
Oh my
It
God.
was- yeah.
Okay.
But the fun was, he said, let's do the close-ups outside the river. And I said, no, that feel,
Yeah,
that
yes.
feel won't come because I cannot be on dry land just because, and the river.
Exactly.
You say, love you, sir.
अच्छा, that's how the
Yeah.
appreciation comes.
Yeah.
राइट अच्छा तो ठीक है मतलब पैदी के शूट के टाइम पे कभी कोई ऐसा मोमेंट था अरे ये तो स्क्रिप्ट में था ही नहीं मोमेंट कोई था ऐसा जो अचानक से यू नो व्हिच वुड हैव हैपेंड ऑन द
I only know the dialogues.
या
There are no stage directions given to me.
एग्जैक्टली
There are no action lines given to me. The rest of it, what I fill in, is me. And it's great because a director will turn and say, I'm enjoying this. If it is going off, he'll turn and tell me, don't have to move that much. You can move between here and here. So either he hems you in or he releases you. But it's great fun to interpret a character.
ओके
Otherwise, why are they
Why would
inviting
they,
us to begin
Yeah.
with? Why does
What do
of course he, of course.
Love that. What do you have to say? He's making you
take
say
it.
something, right?
Take it.
But yeah, would you like to add to that?
Yeah, no, so this time around, because the language was not really, we
right.
were like well versed with, so there wasn't any improv in terms of language, but yeah, there were gestures
Yeah.
and things you would suggest. Can I do this? Can I like say it like this? Can I sit on this, stand on this, and can I do something extra on this? All those things were definitely there.
That
So yeah,
is-
you essentially all actors are directors, actors. I mean, वरना तो आप हैं ही क्यों वहाँ पे? मतलब go make your own film. So you have to follow the vision. But yeah, the fun, like sir said, is that if you can get your own little topping, थोड़ा सा ऊपर से, then the
That
fun
brings
goes,
the
yeah.
right. I want to understand that was there any Peddi scene, which really brought you closer to your own personality? Was there any similarity that you felt?
She's asking you.
Yeah, I'm asking you too.
There's this one scene
Kiss
which
that.
I can't really talk about because it comes in the second half. That had
अरे
a
ऐसा मत
very
बोलो, बता दो
beautiful. नहीं
थोड़ा सा।
मैडम 300 करोड़ की फिल्म
हाँ हाँ ठीक है फिर नहीं
तो थोड़ा सा
बताना। हाँ,
रुकिए।
नहीं
तो-
जून 4th को आ ही रही है तो तब तक देख लेंगे।
सेकंड हाफ में है, लेकिन मैं आपको ये बता सकता हूँ सेकंड हाफ टुवर्ड्स द क्लाइमैक्स वो एक सीन आता है छोटा सा, वो करके मुझे बहुत एक दैट हैड अ वेरी ह्यूमेन क्वालिटी अबाउट द होल थिंग.
अच्छा
And because I represent a certain class in the film, that had a beautiful sort of,
Mat bol.
coming in
You're
the
giving away
yeah.
too much. You're giving it too much.
नहीं यार नहीं उसने बोला भी नहीं अभी कुछ
In the
he's
middle.
controlling now he's controlling himself no you can continue
Correct,
he's just taking
Don't
a
fall
नहीं
for
नहीं वो
this,
correct
don't fall for
correct है correct है.
correct
No, but actually I can
Right.
tell you only this much. But yeah, there comes a point where I just reach a middle ground
Right.
somewhere.
अच्छा अगर आपके पैदी कैरेक्टर्स का इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट होता तो उसका बायो में क्या लिखा होता आपके कैरेक्टर्स के लिए इतना तो आप बता सकते
मतलब नो सेंस ऑफ डिस्टेंस. वो कुरमैया ने बोला सर पेदी डाउन एंड ही टेक्स मी गॉड नोस हाउ मेनी हंड्रेड्स ऑफ माइल्स वॉकिंग. No sense of distance. मतलब the amount of walking that we had to do in the quest for Peddi. This is the quest for Peddi.
Peddi, right.
In other words, it's a quest for looking out and for the talent we have in this country. And for that, you'll have to walk over hills and mountains and valleys and kichad and all that.
Exactly.
So I feel
that would
man who does not understand distances.
all right what about yours
For Ramwood ji, I would just write the one and only.
one and only
One and only. He truly believes in it.
तो अगर आपके पैदी में अगर कोई नो फिल्टर वर्जन होता तो वो कोई एक ऐसा सीक्वेंस जो इंस्टेंटली वायरल हो जाता है जो हमने देखी है ट्रेलर में से उसमें तो निकाल सकते हैं किसी एक सीक्वेंस का जो नो फिल्टर वर्जन होता
यार हमारे तो क्रिकेट के देखिए बहुत सारे सीक्वेंसेस हैं, तो उसमें तो अगर नो फिल्टर होता तो क्रिकेट खेलते हुए जैसे आपने देखा ही है नो फिल्टर, अभी विकेट के पीछे माइक आ गए हैं तो कभी कभी जब वहां पे आता है तो MS धोनी की भी बातें, रोहित शर्मा की बातें आपको सुनाई देती हैं, तो आई थिंक वैसा ही कुछ ना कुछ आ जाता.
सर
What she's trying to say is, the no filter version means gali galoch wala version. I know what she was trying to say, Mirzapur type.
जैसा रोहित शर्मा ना कोई गार्डन में घूमेगा तो that.
right if your personality had a weird warning label what would it say
My warning label would be, I'm
एक तो वार्निंग लेबल
Warning.
हाँ
भूख लगी है यारो.
ये वार्निंग तो नहीं है,
वो नहीं होता। आदमी जब भूख लगती है तो बाप रे
कुछ भी कर सकता है।
कुछ भी कर सकता है।
सर आपका
थोड़ा दूर से।
थोड़ा दूर से।
अच्छा दूर से है उसका।
एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन,
थोड़ा दूर से हो, वाह।
देखो आपकी गूगल सर्च हिस्ट्री तो मेरे पास है नहीं, बट अगर किसी के आपका फोन किसी के हाथ में आ गया और गूगल सर्च हिस्ट्री खुल गई, तो व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट यू विल बी एब्सोल्युटली एम्बैरेस्ड अबाउट?
Embarrassed about.
What would your Google search
It
history
would,
be like?
there would be no search on Bummer. इतना तो बोलूँगा. What would I be embarrassed about?
Oh, a little.
There'll be too much. Off late, I've started doing a lot of online shopping.
हाँ,
So you
अच्छा.
would see a lot of tabs there.
A lot of tabs, huh?
So yeah, वो मुझको भी देख के कभी-कभी लगता है यार ये मैं थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही शॉप करने लगा हूँ अब लाइफ में. I've become a big. So my Instagram
Shopaholic.
is only shopping.
Okay.
My Instagram is not going to people's profile or posting pictures. Is that whole, what do you call it, that Instagram का पूरा जो rhythm होता है ना, algorithm
Yeah.
has got my attention
So
to
algorithm
all
works
the
like that. Yeah. वो वही आपको
Can I
दिखाएगी
tell you
feed.
what I would be embarrassed?
Yeah.
That I have tried to shop and I don't know how to.
सर ऐसे कैसे?
मुझे नहीं मालूम कसम से.
सर
I
सिखाइए
tried.
आप. हाँ
Just
जी.
give me your credit card
Very big-
details. I'll tell you कैसे how it's done.
ए भाई जरा दूर से.
I like that. जरा दूर से एक और पूछे थे. If a fan had to spend the entire day unfiltered way with both of you, what is it one thing that you would never want to come out, but वो आपको पता है कि आप उसको curb भी नहीं कर सकते? Maybe it can be a characteristic, a trait. It could be anything, angst, whatever. जो आपको लगता है वो बाहर ही आ जाएगी. अगर कोई फैन अनफिल्टर्ड वे में आपके साथ एक दिन पूरा
Spending
स्पेंड
a day
करता है.
with-
Yeah. It has to be fun.
I think my wife would say, "Maman, no, you're talking too much here." But I don't hide too much, unfortunately. I'm not very closed in that sense. I like to joke, and sometimes jokes need a little bit of crossing. Yeah. So
Yeah.
and then Genevieve makes eyes at me. What are you going on about? I'm got nothing. I'm
This
pretty-
exactly happens to me. My wife does this exactly to me, and my humor also tends to go a little
Little
to
over
just little, to do a jiggle with you. So
Yeah.
it's the same thing.
My wife thinks you don't understand. You don't understand. They are taking you seriously. Oh,
But that's the fun of it.
that's the fun.
And
अभी वो
that's what I
सुनती
say.
नहीं.
Can never end the joke.
तो मैं
Please don't
complete
end the
करता हूँ.
joke.
मैं complete
हाँ.
करूँ. Two Parsi ladies were taking selfies with me. Two old ladies. And you like this story? So they're taking. Zenobia also took up. I said no. Zenobia takes money for selfies. So they look at each other. खबर? Zenobia चाची?
Oh,
So Zenobia says, see, this is why I say don't joke.
don't joke at all.
Because they take it seriously and they're old ladies, बिचारा.
तो आपका भी यही रहता
No,
है.
that 100%. I believe in not ending the joke. Let it marinate.
Right. As I said, two incredible stars with us, and what an incredible interview this has been. Thank you so much for giving us your time,
Thank
and
you.
all the very best for Peddi.
16
Yes, that's the
minutes.
film that you all need to watch
Yes.
on June 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. The way
10th,
you said
yes,
it.
the way.
Thank you so much.